If you want to save money, time, and accelerate your workshop's workflow, if that's a no, then don't bother watching this video. But if it's a yes, let me introduce you to Peerless Products' newest addition to the rotary screw air compressor range, the HQE 5.5 variable speed full feature. Keep your workspace noise level under control with this ultra quiet, small and compact 13.8 amp 3-phase compressor, powering any home DIY setup through to 1 to 2 man workshops, fitted with 5.5 horsepower, 500 litres per minute, 145 psi max working pressure, 150 litre air receiver, and an externally mounted air dryer eliminating any moisture from your air lines. The externally mounted air dryer is also fitted with necessary filters to eliminate any particles and contaminants. This is a pre and post filter after the air dryer, and also a cyclonic filter, which eliminates any little particles of moisture that may be left after the air dryer. This oil, moisture and contaminant-free air is ideal for spray painting cars as it allows for perfect paint jobs. This compressor utilizes Peerless variable speed technology, meaning it will only work as hard as you do, adjusting its motor's speed to its workload demand. Going on Smoko, this compressor will idle down to its slowest speed, saving up to 40% off your total power bill over the course of the year. Being a rotary screw compressor, this compressor has a 99% duty cycle, meaning it can work all day every day without needing a break, as compared to your standard piston compressor, which only has a 60% duty cycle, slowing down your workshop. This compressor will run almost any air tool, from spray guns and orbital sanders for the body shop, to impact guns for the tyre shops, through to plasma cutters and sandblast cabinets for the industrial workshop. Available for the HQE 5.5 are service kits with all the necessary filters and all the necessary oil, as well as easy to follow YouTube tutorials, saving you heaps in service costs. So if your business wants to save time, money, and increase workflow, get in contact with your local air compressor center today.